Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your Medicare benefits with WellCare, complete guide step by step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with the different Medicare plans available through WellCare. Visit the WellCare website to explore all the plan options they provide. Evaluate the specific benefits each plan offers, including prescription drug coverage, dental, and vision care. Next, gather your personal information, such as your Medicare number and any current health conditions. Contact WellCare's customer service for assistance in understanding your options. Ask about plan availability in your area and any special enrollment periods. Once you choose a plan, complete the enrollment process online or over the phone. Be prepared to provide documentation that may be required for enrollment. After enrolling, review your plan's details, including copayments and coverage limits. Keep an eye on your communication from WellCare for important updates regarding your benefits. Set reminders for annual enrollment periods to reassess your healthcare needs. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out to WellCare support for clarification. Understanding your rights and coverage can empower you to make the most of your Medicare benefits. Take full advantage of the resources WellCare offers, including customer service and online tools. Stay informed about changes in Medicare policy that may affect your coverage. Regularly review your medical expenses and needs to ensure your plan remains the right fit. Engage with community resources and local counseling services for additional support when needed. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your Medicare benefits with WellCare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.